Hi, welcome to the Quick and Easy Meal channel. On this channel we make suggestions of quick and easy meals that the average person can make. Today we will be making a chicken and stir-fry vegetable pizza. So if you'd like to try a different type of pizza, stay tuned. Okay, let's go over the ingredients for your chicken and stir-fry vegetable pizza. Of course, you can make your pizza crust from scratch, but we're talking about quick and easy, so you can pick up a piece of pizza crust from the local grocery store. Then you get your chicken, sliced chicken, right there. Then you get your vegetables, whichever ones you like. We have cauliflower and broccoli. Then you want your soups. Now you get a cream of mushroom soup, or you can get cream of mushroom soup with garlic. So we're gonna go with garlic. And then your cheese. And we're gonna go cheddar cheese and not mozzarella cheese. So we're trying something new, trying something different. So now while you're preparing your ingredients, let's turn on the oven to 450 degrees. Okay, next we're gonna spread the mushroom soup over your pizza while your oven is preheating at 450 degrees. Try not to go edge to edge so that in case it spills over in the oven, you don't mess up your oven. So we'll just spread this on just like you would tomato based pizza sauce. So we're trying something new, so I hope you enjoy it. Now we'll put this in your oven at 450 degrees for about 5 minutes while we prepare the vegetables. To prepare the vegetables, we'll put in about a tablespoon of oil, let that warm up, then we'll add the vegetables. You can add garlic to it, but I'm not going to add garlic. We have garlic in the soup. I don't want to overdo it. That looks like it's warmed up. We'll add our vegetables and just make them crisp. We don't want to overcook them, and we don't want to just leave them too raw. Just warm them up and make them a little bit crisp, enough to cover a 12-inch pizza crust. Okay, once you've cooked your pizza crust in the oven for about 5 minutes, now we're ready to add the toppings. So your vegetables should be tender, crispy, and just put them as much as you like on there. And then we'll top it with the pre-cooked chicken slices and the cheese. And we'll pop it back in the oven for about 5 to 6 minutes, basically until the cheese is melted. So your oven's still on 450, and you'll put this in the oven until the cheese melts. So we'll put the chicken on that. And again, the chicken's pre-cooked, so you're good there. Every bite is gonna have some meat in it. Just a bonus, I will add oregano, one of my favorite seasonings. We'll put this back in the oven until the cheese has melted. After your pizza has cooked in the oven for about 7 minutes on 450 degrees, this is what it looks like. And don't that look good? Your own pizza, your own topping, your own creation. Add what you like, take away what you don't. Time to take your seat at the table. Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy Meal channel. And if you like these quick and easy meal suggestions, please like and subscribe and share. Thank you.